There are two areas in the system where you can apply the discounts. One is under the matter level and the other is under draft invoices screen. First off, I'll show you how to apply the discount at the matter level. Click under Clients, Clients and Matters, click on the matter name. Under Invoice Settings tab, you can see that we have a discount percentage field over here. Please note that for split matters, the discount will only be applied to the matter that has the discount set. It is also important to note that you cannot apply discounts to a fixed fee invoice. Secondly, I'll show you how to apply discounts or adjustments under draft invoices screen. So let's head under Invoices, Drafts. Click on the total amount to access the Edit screen. Click on the Totals tab. And here we have a adjustment field where you can fill in a adjustment. You can enter in a negative sign to reduce the total, or a positive value will be added to the total of the invoice. You can also change the label from adjustment to whatever you need for your business. And then we have the discount percentage field here where you can specify a percentage, and the discount field will always reduce the total value of the invoice.